Easy to install. No cutting, no splicing. This trailer wiring harness plugs into existing original equipment wiring on your vehicle and equips it with a standard RV blade 7-pin trailer wiring connector for plugging in and towing a trailer. Heavy-duty connector. The 7-way trailer wiring assembly can be used to connect trailer tail lights, brake lights, reverse light signals, turn signals, electric trailer brakes and an auxiliary power wire. 7-pin trailer wiring is popular on a wide variety of heavy-duty trailers, such as fifth wheel and gooseneck. Vehicle-specific. This vehicle trailer wiring harness package is designed for select models of the Ford F-150, F-150 Heritage and F-250. This ensures the easiest possible installation and the most reliable wiring connection. T-Connector location, T3. Durable construction. For long-lasting use and a reliable connection, the housing of the 7-pin vehicle wiring socket is made from durable black molded rubber that will never rust or corrode. The wires are also protected by a slit loom sleeve to keep them bundled together and well protected. Spring-loaded cover. To promote long-lasting use and weather resistance, this 7-pin trailer wiring harness kit comes with a spring-loaded dust cover. It protects the 7-way RV blade connector when not in use, shielding it from the outdoor elements and internal corrosion. CURT custom wiring is made with some of the most sophisticated technology in the industry and is designed to install with ease, giving you a long-lasting electrical connection for your towing setup. If your vehicle is not equipped with wiring for towing a trailer, CURT custom wiring is the ideal solution. A custom wiring harness, also called a T-connector, is a simple, plug-and-play electrical device that plugs into your vehicle's electrical system and provides a standard trailer wiring connection. This is done using 2 or more vehicle-specific, OEM-compatible connectors to plug into the taillight assembly, eliminating the need for cutting, splicing and soldering during installation. Custom wiring harnesses are made vehicle-specific, and while they are not available for all vehicles, they do offer one of the fastest, easiest and most secure ways to wire a vehicle for towing. This particular harness provides a 7-way RV blade connector socket and is designed to be a custom wiring harness for certain years of the Ford F-150, F-150 Heritage and F-250. See application info to verify fitment. It comes with all necessary wiring components to establish a reliable trailer wiring connection, as well as a dust cover to keep the connector clean when not in use. You have a picture in mind of your next destination. Maybe it's the boat landing at your favorite fishing spot, maybe it's a campsite that overlooks one of nature's masterpieces, or maybe it's the next big job site. However, turning that picture into a reality takes more than just daydreaming. It takes a solid connection and the right amount of power. Top reviews from the United States. Easy, easy, easy. I wanted to tow a camper with my old truck and needed a 7-pin plug. I researched how to add one to this old truck, then I found this, well worth the money. So simple to install and works great. It came with fuses and relays that I didn't even need, the old truck already had them.